Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is the Creative Nails collab and the theme is vintage. So these are the colours I'm going to be using today. So this is Born Pretty. Can't see the number. I will have it down in the description box anyway, I can't see it. And I'm going to be using this iMaylee as well. I have discount codes for both Born Pretty and iMaylee. I'm going to be doing it on tips today. I do add another tip, but I will show you that later on. So I'm going to show you one coat and then the second coat of both colours just onto the nails, and then I shall come back. Okay, so this is two coats and I'm just going to wipe the tacky layer off because I'm going to be doing some foil today. I will show you the other nail I added. Here you go, just here. So I'm going to do like a kind of yeah, like a French, just using both of the colours. And then I wipe the tacky layer off this as well. So yep, I will just let you watch this and then I shall come back. Okay, I'm going to be using the Macart foil glue today. So what I do is I'm going to sort of like kind of almost map out what I'm going to be doing, so where the foil is going to be. This one did wrinkle because I put too much on and I didn't realise, but you will see later on. What I do is I just put the foil on when it's completely covered, and then I put a base coat on, just let it sort of seep in a little bit, and then I cure and it was fine. So this one's going to be the full cover one and the other one's going to be like half and half. So what I do is I cure mine for 60 seconds and I just leave it to cool down anywhere for sort of like 2 to 3 minutes, just because I find the cooler it is the stickier it is. But yeah, and I will show you the foil I'm going to be using. So this is the foil. It's from Charlie's Nail. I also have a discount code for Charlie's as well. It'll be down in the description box. So this is a pastel flowers. It's really pretty. As soon as I saw like the foil and these colours, I thought, yeah, I've got to do these. So as you can see, I just put it on and then I just rub it down the sides and rub it over the top. I use my finger. You can use whatever you feel that you want to use, and you might be able to see where it has wrinkled there, just there right at the bottom. I put too much on, I didn't realise. I should have realised, but it happens. It turned out perfectly fine in the end anyway, after I just put the base coat on. So yeah, so I will continue applying the foils, no problems whatsoever. I do love this foil, it's so pretty. So I will let you watch this bit and then I shall come back. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using today. This is from Charlie's and this is from the lovely Vicky over at Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. And I'm going to be using these pearls as well. I just thought these worked quite well together. I thought they looked quite pretty. So I'm going to be applying the Velvet Matte Top Coat from Madame Glam, and I do have a discount code from Madame Glam as well. You really need to check out the description box because I do have lots of different discount codes. So I'm going to apply these with the matte top coat, but if I was actually going to be wearing these, I would actually use proper rhinestone glue, just to obviously adhere them much better. But as these are just on tips, nobody's going to be wearing them, so this is just a good enough alternative. So I will just apply this, and then this is this set almost done. So yep, I will just continue applying this, and then I will apply the other little bits and bobs. I think it turns out really, really pretty. So here is the bow, and I had to get my torch to try and do this because it's really heavy. I've forgotten how heavy it was. So there you go. I'm going in with my torch as well. Got all the tools out today, and then I'm just gonna apply some little pearls just around this, like kind of like a, yeah, like the cuff, just that I'm going to be doing it in these pearls. And then yep, this is this set all done. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and check out the hashtag to see everybody's beautiful designs and the playlist as well, which will be in the description box. And yeah, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I shall see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye.